Imagine an AI that can read, see, listen, and speak, just like a human. Not in the future, it already exists. This is called multimodal AI, and it's changing everything. What is multimodal AI? Most AI tools you know work with one type of data. For example, chatbots understand text. Image tools understand pictures. But multimodal AI can understand multiple inputs at the same time: text, images, audio, and even video. Just like humans use eyes, ears, and brain together. Let's say you upload a photo of a broken phone and ask, "What's the problem and how can I fix it?" A normal AI gets confused. But multimodal AI sees the image, understands your question, and gives a solution. That's powerful. Where is multimodal AI used? You're already using it. ChatGPT reading images and text, Google. Gemini understanding video plus voice. Self-driving cars using cameras plus sensors. Healthcare. AI reading, X-rays, and doctor notes together. One AI. Many senses. Why multimodal AI is a big deal. Because real life is not text only. Multimodal AI makes machines smarter, more accurate, more human-like. It reduces errors and improves decision-making. Soon, AI won't just answer questions. It will watch, listen, understand context, and act intelligently. This is the foundation of AI agents and autonomous systems. Multimodal AI is not hype. It's the future of AI. If this helped you understand AI in a simple way, like, share, and subscribe for more AI explained in easy language.